Hey YouTubers, it's Ronan here with my bar channel again. We're either building it, assembling it, repairing it, or just replacing it. Here I've got a Powermate rototiller for my 20 by 60 feet garden plot. Ordered this online. I think it's Home Depot. Reasonably priced. I think they had it on sale. And this is the unboxing video. They delivered by the truck, free delivery. So I'm gonna put it together. Once I put it together, put some oil, some gas in it, and fire it up. The assembly is not that difficult. The wheel just goes on and has a pin on it, so you can either engage the wheel or disengage the wheel, so you can move it by power or just push. As you can see, the parts that they gave you was just a couple of screws and the pins, some tie wraps, and it came with the oil itself. Two bolts for the handle, and a locking bolt for the height adjustment for the handle. Here you can see I'm putting the locking bolt to lock the handle in place for the height adjustment. Once I get that secure, I'll go on to the next step. As you can see here, I tie wrap all the cables in, and once I tie wrap the cable to the handlebar, then I insert the guide rod, the depth rod that they provided in the back of the unit itself. Now I'm just checking out all the controls it has, making sure all the controls are operating freely. I'm going to just add some oil. To the engine, they provided a bottle of oil for you. I'm going to fill the gas up, and once I fill the tank up with some gas, I'll just proceed to fire it up.
Sister, no matter how I can get the daughter.